Ngathi lokunye nje njengoba soshido chairman kakhulu bakasadi sibonga I presence yenu nonke ma teams nekuthi sihambe sifike lana sichamuka khashane nalendlela sicale sing 32 sing 4 namuhla so congratulations to the 4 teams who laba hambe baze bafika lana a part of lokunye kubonga kwethu sibonga ne Hoho Regional Football Association namasipala wasembabane ukuthi nabeta kithi nathi basivulele lithuba le opportunity ukuthi sisebenzisane size sifike lana I social responsibility is at the center of Basadi like sonke sathi ukuthi ingaphani lecalela mbabane noma singabe sesiyavela siyasebenza kuletinye tigodi but nje sisitwe ngibabane so ku give back to I community yethu it's at the center ukuthi kube sembabane and siyayibonga le opportunity and on top of kubonga le opportunity sibonge kuma teams ema fans and everyone lo participateile as icala le tournament to la sikhona khona asigake saba nalomsindvo and bekuceliwe ekuqaleni and sibonga kakhulu lokho because of le ndlela le tournament lebe peaceful ngayo naleni sihloniphe ngayo siya committa singibasadi ukuthi for the lo 3 years lesimcommittee angeke bese sesiyachamuka next year size hayi go grey besidlala but nje siya committa ukuthi until lo 3 years uzuphele sidobe sikhona and sitahamba kanye kanye until 2028 ukhulume chairman wami nga 6 years ukuthi sibuka 6 years ungithumile umuntu lomdzala wathi longangasinetha ukuthi lophenza bengichairperson wethu kaBasadi group ukuthi I-commitment beyond los 6 years itawudeterminewa ngini indlela lento tiphatha ngayo la nazidlala lama games indlela leto phatha ngayo lama games from the administrative position ukuthi I-administration yawo ne teams on the ground so that's the key ukuthi siyaqhubeka after lo 6 ngathi nase until loyo 6 years or 5 years so ngathi nasengenile endlini kagogo ndawo khona kuvunulisana lapha nalapha so bathi tengisho lokho lenye keke indzaba siyade ukuthi lama prizes njengoba sashito motha lapha ukuthi ama prizes number 1 uhamba na 25,000 number 2 12 number 3 uhamba na 8 then number 4 uhamba na 5,000 siyakhumbula ukuthi nalongenela le tournament kunabo 1,000 bekwasha lijezi ngicade bese kuhle yeah nabo 1,000 bekwasha lijezi so yes the prize inkulu vele 25,000 wonke umuntu ngicathi bonke lama team laselela ngi4 le position yabafuna lo 25,000 but besicela kuma teams ukuthi ema results sometimes sayisifunela okunye ukuthi umuntu longena athi ha mina nginanzaba noma ngathola nje lo 1,000 noma sengathola lo 5,000 sonke sifuna 25,000 but kube ne-acceptance la kulama results because ibhola icathi senidlalile ibhola kaningi inyayadi so besicela leyo acceptance nje manje siwahloniphe ama games siwa accept nema results because at the end of it all we are all about building unity through lama games we are building unity through sports we are creating opportunities through sports kungaba buhlungu ke ukuthi sithi sibuilda unity create nema opportunities through football bese sekhanza ukuthi kona lokho kuyasihlukanisa speaking of kusihlukanisa we noted ukuthi kune kukhala o kungeva kahle labanye ukuthi why ema games are going ukuthi ayodlala kumahwalala instead of ukuthi adlale eScom la bekasola adlala khona ngisiyacela sinote one thing ukuthi this is not a tournament yase East noma yase West it's a tournament yasembabane so nakuyi tournament yasembabane asibe nayo le unity si bring it into our minds ukuthi sidlalile eScom kaningi besalungisa ground lase same so now we have 2 grounds lesikhona ukuthi siwadlala kuye kube nale balances of scales siyacela nje lokho kuma teams ukuthi bak accept naloko ukuthi sibe very much aware ukuthi kusese isinyaka wethu weqala eziminyaka ichubeka at least next year Sitobe sekulula sitobe sesinathu ema-ground sitobe sesadi ukuthi sibhekale. Nangithi two ngisengishilo la ngikhala main lo khanza ukuthi ayakhona ku-accommodator bantu labaningi. Nayikuthi-ke ema-teams ethu like we had promised nasifika kuma-finals, ma-finals atobe adlalwa ngelijezi leli sponsored by Basadi. Kusesenjalo we still committed nalapho ukuthi ilijezi ema-teams latodlala ngalo kuma-finals aqhamuka kuBasadi. Overall siyabonga nje kusihlonipha, sibonge nekuthi sipartnerishe and we are looking forward to many more years we partnership yethu.